Yo, yo, yo. Hello. Good to see you. Ooh, what's up? Oh, much love, Theodore. Ooh, yes. Ooh, baby. Love you long time. Long time as you take me out for dinner and pay for all of my things. Then I still love you. Much love. How old am I, bro? Give it a guess. I think some of you guys might know, or I would have done a giveaway on my age. Should I do that? I think some people know my age though, so I can't do a giveaway. Donald Trump, best comedian. What's up, Dominique? Biggest, buffest Forex guru in the world here. Yeah, that's me, man. Yeah, A knows. He knows, man. See, he would have just won the giveaway. That's too easy. Hope you guys are doing well. I looked at the charts briefly this morning. I didn't see anything at the very beginning, but I'm seeing some stuff now. I should have stayed up for a couple more hours before taking down a nap. Unfortunate. We got some good stuff as usual. And we're gonna jump hard back into trading and YouTube. Oh, you like the rap in the background? That's my friend, man. Ooh. Ooh, that's my friend. Oh, man. I know him. His name is Shay Ponzio. Like this. I'll type it out. I should send him a message. He's got some new stuff, too. He's on Spotify. I should send him a message. Be like, you gotta send me more shit, man. People like you. I'll send him a message. Yeah, it's good vibe music. It's good like intro music. Good stuff. Ooh, bunch of people jumping in already. David Bryan, welcome to the green team. We'll look at GU, of course. Should you stay in this trade? I'll take a look, man. Let's start off with that one. What's up, Frank? What's up, Rami? Yeah, of course we're gonna look at EU. Of course we're gonna look at that one. We're gonna look at a few here. Let's get started. How about don't have my camera with me right now, so I just gotta use this webcam. Give me a second here. Oh, it's a bit messy here, so you guys have to see me. Oh. I'm gonna just get my face at least a little bit into it. A little bit messy. 1 second here. My camera's down in the car. Oh my god, right. Oh. Okay. All right. What are we doing here? Oh, freaking thing is in the way again. There we go. Well, you can kind of see my face, can't you? Okay. Let's turn this off. Okay. You can kind of see my face. Let's get this a little bit out of the way there. Perfect. I don't really want to look at silver. Maybe we'll look at silver. All right, so new shit, new changes. Glasses are gone right now because I smashed them by accident. I was sleeping and I woke up and they were smashed. So those need to be replaced. So for maybe a couple days, I will have contacts on. So you won't see me looking as smart for the next couple days. You're a Forex teacher for free? Yeah, of course, man. That's what this video is all about. I will teach you on stream for free. All of you at the same time. Sure. Okay, so AA wanted to look at this trade to see if he still wants to be in it. Oh, okay. So the reason you entered is because you saw this sweep. Of course, that makes sense. Retesting a order block here. You're on the 15-minute, and you're now seeing sweeps along this side of that area. Yeah, I can understand your concern here. Let me just pop this onto, this is GU, right? GU. Let me just pop this onto the charts here so we can see a different time frame. So on the 15 to 5 or whatever here, 15, right? This is what you're seeing. You're seeing sweeps along that low, and where is it actually touching to? Is it filling anything? It's actually touching this level right here. I think also sweeping that level. I wouldn't be too concerned because you can see the power of the sweep on the hourly here, and generally the higher time frame is going to be the more powerful substance, right? But you can see that it is sweeping a little bit here. What I would do is, this is a move that's bringing you into that sweep, right? Yeah, look at this. Not really like showing any reversal pattern here. It kind of swept back up here, and I would even argue that this is kind of the move you want to watch out for a reversal. Let's put it on the 5-minute, because this is kind of the top of the move that brought us out, right? So what you could do is you could take off some of your profit, move your stop to break even or whatever. That's what I would suggest at this point. But really, this is the area that if we break above this level, then most likely it's going to come back to your stop and stop you out right here, right? If it breaks above there, it's going to come back and stop you out most likely. If you did actually get it right on that level, then maybe it won't stop you out. It might just come back to the shoulder here and then back down. But I wouldn't pull out. I would maybe just take some profits and let the rest go, because I think you're targeting down here. Or this would be a good target, and that would also be a good target, yeah. Oh yeah, this is a really great target. There's another reason I wouldn't really want to get out yet. It's just because there's so much liquidity right here with all those tops there. Right? Yeah, this is a great target right here. Okay. Looking at this, yeah, you even swept there. Downtrend. Yeah, it's probably going to continue down even. That makes a lot of sense. Fill that liquidity. Strong beard. Sweet. Hey. Thanks, man. 60 boy. Awesome. Glad you guys can join. Sorry I've been taking so much of a break. But life changes sometimes. And life as I know it will be different from now on. So I just took some time off just to clear my head. And things are going to be great. And we are going to work hard and get some bank. Get some money. And I'm going to help you guys get some money too. Hopefully, because that is ultimately the goal once you do succeed in some things you want to teach people. Okay. So looking at GU, somebody also wanted to look at GU. I think I basically kind of explained it. We're in a downtrend. This is what we were looking at before as our bias, right? So that's originally what we kind of want to follow, and we still want to target down here. Now that because there's a lot of liquidity here, maybe it's going to sweep that, touch this level, and then bounce off. So this is what I would suggest it comes down to. A little bit of reaction off there, and then back down there, and sweeping back up. That would be my guess, just for not any major reason, but that's what we're looking at. Please check this chart. Yeah, we could check that chart. I'll look at EU really quick. Tom, you're sending me multiple charts. I will only check this last one. How about Tom rate? Oh no, wait. Dick asked first for one. Okay. Wondered if you stopped vlogs, dude. Glad you are in the chair. Yeah, I'm not gonna stop, man. I'm not gonna stop. I just gotta take breaks sometimes, just because things change. Things change. Okay. Do you believe in correlation as a sign of strength between pairs? Yes. If what you're saying is like, what you want to do is, if you want to get in on a EA long or something like this, right? Like you saw this sweep here and it rallied up. This is actually a decent trade right here, probably. It's probably going to come down here. Yeah. Huh, yeah, I bet this comes up. This is actually a decent trade looking at this randomly. So if you are biased that EA is long, it's probably going to come back down here, retest that, and then rally up, right? Something like this. That's my guess. But if you were biased on EA being long, what I would do is check EU also to make sure that EU is also long biased. That would be how I would be doing correlation, right? I wouldn't want to get in an EA long with EU going down, right? So this also looks reasonably bullish, right? For some reason. Still major uptrend. Probably rallying back up here. Okay, cool. Yeah, let's look at EA now that we're on this. This was an untested level. Let me jump to the 4 hour. We would argue that this is actually the test. Earlier, we thought, okay, this could have been the bounce off point because we did hit the wicks there. But we always want to wait for the little bit greedier entry, and that's what it came down to. Exactly the greedier entry. The demand zone here, we just drew that on the last white candle to the low, and it hit exactly perfectly on that one, and then rallied up. So what we would want to do here, looking at the 1 hour. Can't get in yet. I'm gonna reject off here. Not much we can do right now. I gotta just clean out like some of my chart here. I haven't been looking at it for a couple days. Oops. Okay. It's gonna come up here, I think. There's no entries though, is the problem. I want to wait for something else to form. There's nothing we can majorly enter on right now. Okay, we'll move on. I want to look at UCAD. This is one I wanted to show you guys. So, last week, I remember we actually tried to short this. I'll get out of here. Pop up. We actually tried to short this, and I think we got barely stopped out here because I put the stop at the high of the day. Reason we were shorting this is because we hit a top, and then we kind of swept those tops, right? And we dumped back down, and we wanted to just short the untested zone here, and a stop loss at the high of the day. We got perfectly stopped out, actually. Should have put a little bit of room, and then we would have been fine. It didn't go super far, and now that we're printing this pattern here, it looks pretty bullish in my opinion. So first of all, we're in an uptrend, and then we just see the consolidation. We see multiple tests of that low, and then sweeping action on the lows here. So you can see how it's printing out on the 15-minute here. Sweeping, came back to retest that. Unfortunately, it didn't give us the entry we would have wanted, because we would have wanted to enter right that area, right? And that's already been tested, so now we can't do it anymore. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be looking for a long on UCAD tomorrow, hopefully, because this is rather bullish, and it does look like it would come back down, you know, maybe this area, and then make a sweep on that area, and it would be a sweep within the day, right? And then we can look to get in on it, right? There's no major level that we really want to watch, but other than just kind of this zone, right? Because usually price acts in a staircasing pattern, right? That's usually what we're going to be watching for, but there's nothing major that I see popping out here. So that's kind of what I'm printing. Just that area would be great. Okay. What time frame would you suggest to put zones in? Oh shoot, let me make this webcam smaller. This is too big. Do you remember Ed's Hunter? Well, he got taken down by the FCA in the UK. Of course he did, dude. There was no way he made that much money. It's not possible. And then want to like sell courses. If you could make fucking 200K in a month, well, why would you waste your time trying to make a course to teach somebody how to do that? It would be such a waste. You only want to like sell courses if you're only making like enough money to like live off of or something like that. Like that's where you want to sell courses. You don't want, if you're like got something that's completely unbelievable, you wouldn't ever sell it. It doesn't make any sense. Keep coming the good content. I can't do any more Swaggy's videos. Yeah. I think Swaggy's alright. Professional trader. This guy is handsome. Oh, thanks, dude. That's like the second time you said that. most woke beta. Heinrich. Okay. I wanted to look at this chart. I don't know that I already looked at that chart. Somebody else posted a chart here. Yeah, Dick. Here, I'll look at this one. Oof. Not a chart. Doesn't look right to me. I'll look at this one. Oops. Is that right? Is that right? Guess that's right. All right, so you're looking at NZD CAD. It's like really good practice for me too, just like see other people's work. So what you're doing is an SR flip entry, and you're just putting your stop right in the middle above the, I'm not exactly sure the stop placement reasoning. It's not based off fib, it's not based off of the structure. It might just be like a random stop. I don't like this trade. Sorry, dude. This is the problem with the trade. You already have an SR flip touch right here with that wick, right? So the SR flip area is weaker. So there's a lot fewer orders here. Plus you've been waiting a long time for SR flip. So a lot of people pulled their orders. Right. So most likely it's going to go deeper. And then you got your stop really close. So you're better to wait for a reaction. Yeah. NZD CAD. Yeah, we just kind of looked at NZD CAD there. Go deeper into NZD CAD. What time frame is that on? 4 hour. Look at NZD CAD overall. Here's a sweep there. Untested area up here. Also untested. Sweet. Okay. This is my view on it. You can still get short on this. I still have a short bias to it. Yeah, I still have a short bias here, but you have stops right above here and then a gap up, right? And there's resting orders right there that are still untested. So what I would do is I'd be looking for a trade right here to see how it reacts off there. And then having the stop above there. If it stops you out, it's going to test that and then come down. So it's like it's kind of 50-50 which one it rejects off of. So you'll have to wait for the reaction. I'll try to deck your chart here now. What's up, Trash Panda? Okay, cool. Euro USD. Yeah, so we do have a long bias on this, right? I believe we said we had a bias on the long side. And you're targeting the untested. That's cool. There's also multiple touches on those tops there, so most likely it's going to go a little bit higher. Makes sense, your target. Your entry also makes reasonable sense because like what we're looking at right here is essentially just a pullback to this zone, and then it's eaten back up really quickly, right? So that's what you're doing. You're saying that this is just a grab for more liquidity, right? And then all we did is touch that low here. Oops. All we did is touch that. So you're kind of just entering with a wider stop. Makes sense. Not sure where you have a second trade here. The second trade doesn't, I don't know what's going on, but yeah, this is fine. Like this is just a trend following trade, essentially. There's no, the problem I have with it, and that I have to follow is that there's no manipulation in this area. There's no stopping people out, shit like this. You could argue that this is a stop out area, right? But it's not strong enough for me. That's the only problem I have with that trade. But it's most likely going to work out fine in your favor and continue up and at least go into profit a little bit. It's just kind of a rule I have. I don't like entering, but this is a strong momentum shift, so it's probably still going to work. We'll look at gold now. You got to stop spamming though. Double bottom. This tells me that there's liquidity here, right? It didn't hunt the level here. So most likely there's still liquidity there. So when it comes back down, that's the target. Higher time frame. Still bearish, still want to target here. Wait for the reversal, target this low, target this as a second target. Right. So simple. That's so easy how we can just analyze a chart like that. Yeah, wait for the reversal. Most likely reversal kind of happens on this purple line, I would say. It could happen like right around here, but I think it's gonna go a bit higher. back up to this area. And then sweep those highs. And then back down. Most likely, I think. Oop, like this. Okay. What was the bias for EU? It was bullish. Check the US 30. I'm not really interested in looking at indices. I'm not very good at trading indices. They kind of act a little bit differently. I don't like it as much. Well, we got that one right. I mean, just generally looking at this tells me it's pretty bullish. Still that same bias. Daily. Let's look at daily. Yeah, sweep those lows pretty strong. It's gonna go up probably. I bet it comes back up to the highs here. You say Euro's gonna drop? Okay. I think it's gonna come up to here. It's bullish for the next couple days, I think. That's my guess. By the way, guys, it's end of the month tomorrow. So you might want to look, I don't know if you guys use the monthly candles. You might want to look at the monthly candle close on Thursday. Do you use and rate currency indices at all? No. How's EG doing? Okay, still looks bullish in my mind. Higher time frame. Swooping lows here. Let's put a lower time frame here. Yeah. This looks reasonable. Multiple tests on that low there. Major dip into liquidity and then a reversal. I would say most likely we see a pullback. Look at this even. Multiple lows here. Sweep there. Right. Sweeping right there before the move. So what we want to look for is a pullback here. We're still targeting these highs. The yellow. Right. So what I would do, you can get a rough area, draw your fib. Yeah. I would look for a retest of this zone again. We might be able to get another sweep below those lows, or it might just come back down here and then retest off of this zone as a regular demand zone. Right, like this. But I look for a long here. Alpha 8K, let's look at this one. On that EU trade, do you think it'll be later in the week before we see a bullish move? I wouldn't be entering it right now because you're entering at the end of the New York session, well, mid of the New York session, which is very close to the end of the day. So what I would do is I would just wait for the Asia Open and then look for an entry like Tokyo Open in like, it's what, 7 hours from now or something. You might as well just wait. Nice trade, dude. I don't know what you wanted me to review on here. It looks like your trade is over. You're most likely going to hit your target. I would just move your stop right here. Euro odd drop. I think I was bullish on Euro odd actually. I think it's going to drop down here, if that's what you mean by a drop. But I'm bullish on Euro odd. multiple highs. It's gonna break that level, by the way. It might come back down here and then look for a long right there. Sweet, 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 sweet. The only thing I'm wary of, monthly sand flow. How can you tell a reversal from a breakthrough? Well, first of all, they're like two completely different things. Unless you're asking like a different question. Unless you're asking like a fake out breakthrough, right? Oh, let me get that out. There we go. Okay. So, a breakout versus, okay. So generally what you want to look for is how the price is reacting after you break out, right? So I think what you're doing is you're asking how to tell the difference between a breakout versus a fake breakout. And sometimes they actually get you, and they get you with a very strong move like this and then a reversal. But you have to watch how the momentum changes after the actual breakout, right? So you actually do have to watch it live. This is why you don't breakout trade, because those are bad traders, in my opinion. So if we look at something like EU, this shit happens all the time. Boom, 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 boom. The easiest one to notice is like a wick that closes back within. That's more likely to be a reversal. If it closes on the outside, you can still watch to see how the momentum changes. So a lot of the time you'll have one large candle breaking out. That's going to gather a lot of liquidity, faking a lot of people out. And then you're going to see the reversal all the way back within the area that it originally started from. So this move got completely eaten up even faster, right? So you know that that was a reversal because the momentum shifted, right? I could be even more detailed and tell you exact mechanical levels, but I like to keep a couple things for private education. But you can generally kind of figure it out on your own. MacD, latecomer for the party. Yeah, you remember. Fucking gold. Got it. What did you get? Euro. You got into a sell, but you're not sure. Hey, buddy. Oof. Hitting the microphone here. Oh, how you doing? How you doing, kitty? This cat fucking scratched my back last night. He went running across the couch, and he scratched up my back because I was sleeping on the couch. Hey, buddy. You're purring loud. Okay. We have anything? I don't think we have anything else really to look at. EuroCAD also looks incredibly bullish. Why would we think that this is gonna drop, dude? What are you thinking? There's no reason for this to drop. Maybe see a reaction off this level and then it could drop, right? But it's not gonna drop yet. There's no reason. It's so fucking strong. We're gonna look at pound JPY. We'll look at UJ here too. UJ swept these lows. Ooh, so strong. This would have been a great long off of there if we got a little bit deeper. Let's get a higher time frame because it's a little bit choppy. Sweeping those lows, maybe. Come back up there, maybe. Okay. UJ never gives me like strong signals. I know this. Sweeping these highs. Shoot. I think it would be great. See, UJ is always very choppy, is the thing. But it does look like it's reacting off of this level here, right? And then it's made some tops, and then it's just gone a little bit deeper. So what I would be interested in, because it still looks like it could be bullish here on the smaller time frame, it's rallying back up. If we can get back below this low of the range, then we can start shorting this down, right? But right now, we're not completely sure. But that would be the case if we wanted to short this. And then we could short it all the way back down here and then look for a long off that area, right? What's up, Screen Master? UCAD is bullish, yeah. Look at pound JPY. Yeah, yen pairs are a bit weird. I'm not the best with the yen. I'm best with Euro USD. Okay, so this is what we had said last week, that we were going to come down here. Perfect. Hit that, rallied, and then we're targeting the multiple highs here. Most likely it's going to go a bit past it, come up this area, and then back down. Still coming up. Any reason to be wrong yet? No. Strong bullish rally. Just consolidating. Looks like it's going to continue up. It's going to continue up. And then it could, we'll just see the reaction past this level, and then see if the momentum changes, and then we can continue back down if that's what we want. Did you get the Stonks figurine? Yeah, I literally just got it in. Check it out. This one here. I completely forgot about it. It's kind of cool. So GJ is something that you want to do confluence with GU, right? So we talked about GU earlier, right? So we're relatively bearish on GU, continuing back down and then rallying up. Right. So does that confirm our bias here? Well, we could go a little bit higher, sweep that, and then continue down, and then go up. That would make a lot of sense. So it would match. It would match. It makes sense. If we go just a little bit higher and sweep it and then go down, right, like this. We're bearish on EU? No, we're bullish for right now. Alright, guys. It's good to see some people jumping in here. I know I have not been consistent with the streams. We're going to try to become more consistent, pump out tons of videos. If you guys are interested in joining the community, there should be a link in the description so you can join the Discord and whatnot. There's also signal groups, things like this. And education and everything like this. I'm working on a video course that I do want to release soon. We've put a little bit of delay on it. Maybe in the next week or two, I should be able to launch that. And that would be really cool if you guys are new here. If you guys do like the content, please make sure you subscribe so that we can watch streams. You can watch the streams every morning. We're going to start doing it again and again, and I'm going to start pumping out more videos. The 100K challenge, I will post the video in the next couple days, I think, maybe even today. It's like a week late even, and then I got to start recording some new content too for that too, because I haven't been keeping up with it at all. And we'll post some other regular videos. And let me know in like comments of videos what you guys want to see. Not in the chat here. Post it in like a video comment if you guys want to see specific types of videos and whatnot, because I do have a ton of stuff posted. I just don't know what you guys want more of. If you guys want more of the React stuff, if you guys want more strategy stuff, all this stuff, make sure you post it in like the actual video, comment section, and not in the chat here right now. But I'll see you guys next time. I'll see you guys tomorrow. How to Be a Chad is the next book. Yeah. Good idea, dude. Alright, I'll see you guys tomorrow. What champ do I play in League of Legends? I played Jhin, but I only maybe play like one game a month on average. Jhin and maybe Hecarim jungle, Rammus jungle, things like this. Yeah. Alright.